Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to add and make a Gmail shortcut on your desktop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super convenient as you can quickly get your inbox. So first of all, open up a web browser. We're using Chrome for this, but you can do in other browsers. But to follow step by step, go and use Chrome. Then you want to go and head to Gmail just like so. Once you're in Gmail, then all you need to do is go to the top right of your browser and click on the three dots. In Chrome, it's right in the top right. Then you want to go down and find the option car, save and share on other browsers and maybe in more tools. Then all you want to do is go and click on create shortcut like so. You'll get this pop up. In this case I'll just have it say inbox. Press create and that's it. Now I'll come to my desktop and we'll go and see. We've got the option. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.